In your KVUE crime files, there are more than 19,000 open cases of unclaimed persons listed in NamUs, which is a national database. And these are people who've passed away and either haven't been identified or family hasn't been located to ID them. But one Williamson County investigator has made it her mission to start putting names to those faces.
I've been in the death industry since 2012. This is Valerie.
Most people spend their lives trying to be remembered. Valerie Alvarez spends hers remembering the forgotten.
I have like a photographic memory. So if I see a name on one website and 2 days later I'm looking through another website, I'll remember that name and connect them. The next question that I have.
Her inquisitive mind and penchant for puzzle solving.
I don't know how my brain works, honestly. It just kind of happens.
Landed her the role of senior death inquest investigator for Williamson County. She's one of the first to hold the title in both the county and state.
This program itself is very new, and it's actually new to everywhere.
Thanks to Alvarez's efforts, after 20 years, a Jane Doe in North Texas is finally getting her real name back.
She was walking down a very dark road in Melissa, Texas back in 2004. At some point, an accident occurred where a car hit her. She passed away on scene.
The woman had no ID on her. No wallet. Investigators ran fingerprints and found nothing. A couple of years later, they re-ran her prints using newer databases.
When those prints came back, lo and behold, it came back to a person.
A person with 27 different aliases from just as many different places across the country. This woman had an extensive criminal history.
I put all the arrests in chronological order. And I made a spreadsheet with the name that she used, where she was arrested, the date she was arrested, social security number, date of birth. And so when I laid it out, I started noticing there was a pattern. Can you email it to me?
And with the right detective work, Alvarez found her real name, Lisa Jacqueline Millay, and located a relative of hers in Malibu, California. DNA testing on several family members confirmed Millay's true identity. According to them, she was a daughter of a well-known Hollywood composer and jazz singer. The family had finally gotten closure.
Thank you so much.
And Alvarez wants to make sure Williamson County families find that same sense of peace.
It's my passion and what I do. I think everybody should know what happened to somebody. I think it's the dignity in it all. Everybody deserves dignity.
Wow. And Alvarez tells me that of the thousands of cases that she's taken on, there are very few where she has not found family. So she's good at what she does.
That's hard work. And that position is pretty unique, right?
It really is, because she's one of 4 new death investigators hired by Williamson County. And basically they work with justices of the peace, judges, so they can kind of tackle court dockets, different cases. So they're an extra set of hands.
A lot of pieces to that pie, too, from the work she does.
Yes, and hopefully this means that maybe more and more cases will be solved because they have more people working on them.
That's the important part. Great story.